Okay, so in this example, I'm going to be showing you quickly how to, or not quickly, but I'm going to show you this example where we have an equation in vertex form, and we're going to convert it to the standard ax squared plus bx plus c standard form, okay, of a quadratic equation. So here we go. First thing here, we have to deal with this exponent, okay, the x minus 3 squared. Let me write this out without the squared. It would look like this: x minus 3 times x minus 3, and then plus 4. So this part we need to work out first, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to remind you that we use the box method for that. Let me go to a new screen. So remember that we used the box method, okay? And this is for a binomial times a binomial. Now this one happens to be a binomial times itself because it's x minus 3 squared. But we have x and then minus 3. Then we have x and minus 3, okay? So then our answers are going to be what we get inside here, okay? We're going to multiply x times x for this one, x times negative 3 for this one, negative 3 times x for this one, and negative 3 times negative 3 for this one. Then we're going to combine like terms, okay? This should be a review. We actually did this before Christmas, but x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. And then again, negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And then the last one, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, okay? Then we have to combine these like terms. So we have a negative 3 and a negative 3, or negative 3x and a negative 3x gives us negative 6x, okay? So our equation is going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9. X squared minus 6x plus 9. This is not our answer, but we're going to take this and replace it. Okay, so now what we have is y equals 6 times x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then plus 4. So what we have to do now is the distributive property where we distribute or multiply this 6 times the x squared times the negative 6x and times the plus 9, all right? So now we have 6 times x squared, or 6 times x squared is 6x squared. 6 times negative 6x is minus 36x. And then 6 times positive 9 is 54, so plus 54. And then we also had to bring down this plus 4 from the original vertex form, plus 4. And then finally, the last thing we have to do is just combine these like terms. 54 plus 4 is 58. So y equals 6x squared minus 36x plus 58. And that is your final answer. I think in the delta math, you plug in 6x squared minus 36x plus 58.